everyone, how are you all? Hope you guys are doing wonderful. And today I'm going to do another video, and it's a battle of brands, and these are two amazing brands, Dior and Makeup Forever. इनके दोनों के फाउंडेशंस मुझे बहुत पसंद है और मैं इनको बहुत टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, and that is why I wanted to tell you which one I think is better amongst both, and अगर इनमें से क्या चीज़ किस पर्पस के लिए आपको यूज़ करनी है और किस स्किन टाइप के लिए आप ये यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और ये सारी जो बातें इससे रिलेटेड हो सकती हैं वो सब मैं आपको बताऊंगी. बट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट, यू नो द ड्रिल. इफ़ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब, डू सब्सक्राइब, हिट दैट नोटिफिकेशन बेल. लेट्स जंप इन. Before I begin with it, I'll just tell you कि one side of my face I'll do it with Dior, and it's a undercover 24-hour full coverage foundation, और दोनों 24-hour full coverage foundation है, और इसीलिए मैं इनको कर रही हूँ रिव्यू. और this one is in 26 shades, whereas Makeup Forever has out with 50 shades, and which is quite a lot. मतलब from the lightest to the darkest tone, you can just go beyond the options, or that's what it makes it a notch higher than Dior. And if in this HD foundation you have hyaluronic acid, which is in most of the skincare they're promoting it with the hyaluronic acid, so that's a plus in this. Isme they say that it conceals and covers all the blemishes that might be on your face, and that's why I like it also, because currently my face is in a mess, so I like it. Both are plastic bottles, travel friendly. आप ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं, और currently I'm traveling and I'm carrying both of them and they are intact, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. It has a tube kind of a thing, whereas Makeup Forever has a pump. Alright, after that it is 30 ml Makeup Forever, and this one is 40 ml. So the quantity in this Dior one is more, although it is 4500 MRP for Dior undercover, and this Makeup Forever Ultra HD is for 3500. तो प्राइस का फ़र्क है, लेकिन ये 40 ml आपको एक्स्ट्रा मिल रहा है, तो दैट कैन compensate for it. Now I will say कि this is a buildable foundation, so it is a medium coverage foundation, whereas it's a full coverage foundation. You don't have to do anything after you've applied it, nor even apply powder over it, although I will apply powder over it because I'm a very super oily skin person. So I will apply because I want to show you after application of the powder what it looks like. But in this, if you are oily skin person, you have to apply. And now I will tell you both of these, this is made in France and this is also made in France, so in that genre it's the same. I'll tell you what color I'm wearing in this. Mine is so this one you have to shake well before you use in the bottle. In this also it is supposed to be done in the same way. Mine is 021 in Makeup Forever, I hope you can see, and Dior Forever Ultra HD, my color is 021, and Makeup Forever Ultra HD, my color will be Y245. So Y245 in Makeup Forever, and 021 in this. So I will link both of these down below. Now I will show you how to apply it. I have done this review of this in my channel earlier, so I'll link it up here so that you can see and get the whole idea. But in comparison to this, you will get the idea today. So I'm going to take one full pump and a little bit more for this side of my face, and I'll use a brush, as I have discussed earlier that it applies better with the help of a brush. So that's what I'm going to do. So first, it's better to dot on your face from center, pat it wherever you have blemishes. I'm using my viewfinder for looking at myself because I'm not carrying a hand mirror, so that's why. और यहाँ पे lighting better है इसलिए मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ. So I always cover my neck along with my face because otherwise you look dual colored. Some people are dual colored but you don't want to look like that, so yeah. So don't forget your nose, half of my chin, and that's it. So this is done. Now I'll just blend it off. So now I've blended it a little bit, and now I'm going in with Makeup Forever HD Ultra HD, and taking on this side of the hand, again little bit more than a pump. And now it's time to cover this blemish. So I don't know why I'm breaking out so much currently, but that I can assure that the foundations are not responsible for my breakout. So let me chuck that out of the way. Now you can see that this has not given me full coverage, whereas on this part of my face it's given me full coverage, and it looks more like your skin. So it's like और ये बहुत जल्दी dry हो जाएगा. Makeup Forever will not give you time to like if you put it and you think हाँ मैं एक सेकेंड में भी blend करती हूँ, तो it will start drying off. So always finish it off and blend it quickly. And since I told you I have to build it up, so I'm going to apply a little bit more on the blemish where I need the finishing up, because on this part of my face, as you can see, there's a breakout and it needs to be covered. So I'm just applying a little bit more foundation on that part so that it doesn't move. I'm doing a little bit of color correction because मुझे लगता है कि ये जो blemish है ये इसके बिना कंसील नहीं होगा. तो let me do it offline, off the camera, and then I'll come back. So now I've concealed it a little bit, और अब मैं powder से इसको set कर लेती हूँ. So again, this is by Dior, the powder that I'm using over the foundation. और अब मैं इसको set कर रही हूँ so that I don't get the shine of the oiliness that my skin gives me, free of cost. So as I have told you guys earlier कि मैं ये first time नहीं लगा रही हूँ, तो I know that both these foundations are amazing, but just to show you, I will keep it for a few hours and check back with you so that you can know कि ये actual में कितना amazing है दोनों का comparison. The highlighter I'm using, it's by Wet n Wild, so it's a dual stick. So I'm just going to apply it on the high points. Yeah, I've applied a lip color and मैंने अपनी eyebrow भी कर ली है. I'm not wearing anything on my eyes today. अभी I'll shoot another video for that. So that's for that. And both my sides are looking equally okay. I have concealed a little bit क्योंकि there was a pesky breakout और उसने ये area पूरा dry कर दिया है. And what happens with me is when I break out, that area becomes dry because I apply so much product to get it off my face, so वो area dry हो जाता है. But otherwise my face is really oily. So now I have patches on my skin, so I can test it for you guys whether it is good for an oily skin person or a dry or a combination, whatever it is. So Makeup Forever HD Ultra HD foundation का ये है कि it is the most beautifully photographed. All the pros and all the makeup experts and the big shots in makeup industry back it. As far as Dior is concerned, it is the most smooth and flawless finish. It is more like your skin. So both wear 24 hours constantly. You don't have to touch them up. You don't have to apply any powder over it, and it will look amazingly beautiful on your skin, but better as far as Dior is concerned. So again, I will say this is a buildable side Makeup Forever, and this Dior side is complete coverage, and that is quite evident with the breakout scenario that this did not cover the breakout properly, so I had to use a corrector. Whereas on this side, whatever the blemishes or discoloration was, it was covered because of the Dior foundation. So I'll catch you up in a bit. So you can see that's what my face looks like. It's almost 7-8 hours since I last spoke to you. So this is Makeup Forever and this is Dior. As of now, I say that Dior is better than Makeup Forever because it's one application. I don't have to apply it to, like, it's not supposed to be a buildable foundation. It just covers your whole face and you don't need any powder or anything to fix it. So for me, Dior will be thumbs up. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Until next time, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.